Good morning, everybody. Right now the grass is a little messy right now. Okay, good. Alright. Tank bag, check. Phone, keys, check. Wallet, check. Backpack, check again. Glasses, check. Earbuds, I'm listening to it right now. Alright. Well, I should probably get to work and forget something. Oh shit, fucking bird. Oh my god, I'm really hungry right now. Like, I literally just got on the bike and got hungry. I was like, crap. And on that, I'm on my way to work right now. And I don't have time to stop and get something, a bite to eat. Well, that's nice though. Well, I do have my lunch. I'm probably gonna eat a little bit of that. Wait, no, there's a banana in there too. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, I'm good. Okay. Oh yeah, so now Toothless actually hit over 50,000 miles, and I'm planning to do like a pretty big service to it. Even though I did one not too long ago, but 50K, I just want to absolutely make sure this whole bike was okay, you know. Make sure it's not burning oil, burning coolant, or anything like that. Actually, it's not burning oil, because I just checked that, so I'm good on that. And just make sure the bike is okay, you know. Maybe do valve adjustments, some gasket, whole new clutch to it. You know, a bit of work that needs to be done to this bike, but you know, it's an old bike, so yeah. Ooh. Whew. Look, somebody hit a trailer. There's always something on this fucking road. Always something going on. I don't know why. Fucking tired. Why the fuck are you braking? Sure seen those would be nice. You know, before. Fuck, I'm just really tired today. Yesterday at work, I got like so many projects I needed to do, and I didn't even took a lunch. I did eat my food though, so at the very least, I was like, you know what, fuck it, give it 4 hours, get my whole 8 hour in, and just eat my food without taking a lunch, and then I went back to work. Actually, no, it was like towards the end of the day actually, so I was like, yeah, so it was funny because like, yesterday I fucking worked a whole 8 hour at my job because I needed to do so many projects, and I was doing 2 projects at the same time. Manager calls up, hey, I need to do these other 2 projects, or 3 projects. I was like, well, one of them projects is not here. Physically I don't have it, so what do you want me to do? Just focus on the other 2 then. Okay, are there like, they need to go ASAP, like an importance, or are they whatever, just get them, did it get to them at the end of the day? And of course I was left on red. I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna take this not important. So next thing I'm doing the 2 projects at the same time, and hours later my manager calls me and I say, hey, what happened to those 2 other projects I told you about? Well, are they important? Yes, they need to get done today at a certain time limit. I was like, what the fuck? You should have told me that to begin with. So I had to get those 2 done at the same time. Got those done, got the project I was working on done, and I'm just like, I didn't even take a lunch. But it's like literally towards like the next hour until I'm actually off. So I was like, I'm gonna use this time to eat my lunch. Ow. Because I actually just been playing music in my helmet lately, and having earbuds kind of sucks in this helmet. That's why they do have like that Senna, but it's specifically made for this helmet, and so I'm really fun to get that for myself for my birthday. Yay. That's making me hungry. What? Oh god, I had to catch that for a second there. I got so hungry I was about to eat the actual picture itself. Damn, I'm fat. Like, I actually thought about it, I was like, man, I'm really that fat that night. I'm going 90. Why does people want to go 100 over here so much? Like, I'm a rearview mirror, everybody else behind me is going 90. Again, 100 for no fucking reason. I swear to God, like, there's gonna be a speed limit of 120 miles an hour over here, and people are still want to go faster than that. I was just like, why? Like, I know in Arizona, like, yeah, we go way over the speed limit. Okay, you're going ridiculous fast. I never go like way over the speed limit. Like, a lot of times over here we go like, when it's 45, we go like 60 over here. On the freeways, depending which freeway, like the I-10, it's like 90 to, like usually 90, 80 to 90 miles an hour. The I-17 is like 65 or more, even though the speed limit's 55 over there. Okay, am I going fucking slow or something? You better not do something sketchy, dude. No shot. Oh, how cliche. Typical fucking Tesla owners would put like, no gas, no oil, no shot. Typical. Of course, if they had a rat, that's bonus points right there. Yeah. I'm just kidding. I'm just stereotypical right now. I mean, I guess it's a lot better for the people who actually own a Tesla than the people who don't own a Tesla but are a big fan of it, you know? You know the people I'm talking about. Little 5-year-olds, whatever. 10-year-olds, whatever. Yeah, that's been too much painful for anybody, honestly. Oh yeah. Oh shit, I forgot to bring a shirt because how sweaty I get at my job. God damn it. The one thing I always keep forgetting is bringing like an extra shirt because I hate it when I sweat. And I put on my jacket and everything, I'm just like all sweaty in it. Next time my jacket smells all sweaty. Oh well. Jesus Christ, like almost half the car is like over fun though. That shit always gets to me out. So next thing you know, something falls like a pickaxe or a shovel. Or the whole fucking bed of the truck is how much it weighs. Like, I've seen trucks that is like just bottoming out because of that shit before. I've seen so much of that before. Anyway, but last thing you need, those spikes should fuck me up. Oh, look at that, you don't see that very much over here. The GTR. Specifically the R32, yeah.